a $100 million company based in the Southeast U.S., and they were actually a subsidiary of a large public conglomerate. And that CEO of that business unit wanted to take EvaluSys, and I provided access to be able to do that. And they were somewhat suspect that they would find a lot of opportunity because they were a very, very successful enterprise.
Right.
They had hockey stick growth. They were knocking it out of the park every day. And so the CEO went through that process and found, again, about 70 issues. And so we got on the phone to talk about that. And because he was trying to understand why would he have these kind of issues when he had such a successful business. And as we talked about it and we looked at the diagnostic results, it became clear that it was almost entirely in the marketing and sales area, because that was the area that he had total discretion over.
Right.
The areas that were dictated by corporate, the HR space and the finance world, were buttoned up pretty well because they were dictated by corporate. But once we began to talk about some of those issues, the light bulb came on for him, and he was so excited about the results that he became a champion for EvaluSys across that whole corporate entity. He went to his group executive and said, I think every one of the CEOs in our organization should go through this process. So that was an amazing win.